And we're here for the arms this time. I forgot to record me beginning the whole arm process, but you can see we got a good chunk done. This is very complex, considering all the cut points. Like there. See? Are little annoying areas where I also have to grab. So, yeah. Hopefully I remember to actually record the ending of at least the right arm. I probably won't record the left one. You've seen it already at that point. And it's more or less done. Just have to do the top part and the hand. Beam saber is already in there. See? But I have come to a decision that all the little corrections, it's hard to tell, but they're there. Using my Chrome AK marker. Liquid gold plate paint. I'm just gonna stop. For one, it's damaging the brush. It's damaging it. Two, it's using up a lot more than I would like it to. So, I'm just gonna stop. I'm gonna save it. And just, I don't know. I have other gold paint I could use, but I'm probably just gonna use it afterwards on really big slices, like, oof. Yeah, like down here. I'm just gonna stop using the marker. From what I'm gonna do now on is either just not bother, or just get it built like this, get the hand paint out, do it carefully, and then be done. Because this marker takes at least 3 hours to dry. So that's way too long. So yeah. That should also speed things up. Until next time. So I've more or less finished the arms. Now this is asking me to put in the shoulder piece and hand there. But it's not calling that arm on the instruction manual, so I'm not going to count it in the video. But as you can see, both are basically done. Now we just have to do the shoulder, but first, I have a little something to do before I forget. Which is, well, as you can see, it's already sprayed on some nice green. But I'm going to be painting that. I'm going to try again to get my phone mounted somewhere so you could watch, but last time I tried mounting it to this, it kept sliding off. So, that's a big no-no. Okay, until next time.